In front of me is Honor Magic 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll down to hit Privacy section and finally access Permission Manager. Now select one of your device's features you wish to manage. Click on one of your apps and tap on one of those options to apply a perfect one for you. Then you can either go back or select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!